Hello, guys. Welcome back to Knowledge World. Now, today we are going to learn how to make one Google Sheet, and how we can give the access of that Google Sheet to other people, and how we can give the permissions to them accordingly to work on that sheet. So, for making any Excel sheet and all using Google Sheet, we'll go these 9 dots. Then we'll open Drive, and here we need to do new. When we click on new, so one Google Sheet would be coming here. We can take any, like if you want to make Google Docs or something like that, so you can select accordingly. Now we are going to do Google Sheets. We'll click on this one spreadsheet that is in your Drive. You can see here, if you will do any kind of changes here or any calculations, whatever you want to do, like, and you want to share it with your any team member, any colleague, or however you want. So what you will do, like, first you need to name it. And just for your information, here we don't need to save again and again. It saves automatically. Like, I have given the name, I have typed something, so it is automatically saving every moment. Can see last added was seconds ago. Okay, and here is open the version history and something like coming. So it's none of our business. Let's go on the sheet only. Here is the sheet, and then if I want to share it to someone else, then I'll click here on the share, and I'll give the name of that person. Let's say I'm giving permission to anyone, like let's say to this guy. Okay, and here I'm deciding whether that person can view only, like whatever I'm typing he can see only, he cannot do any changes. Then viewer would be selected, and if I want that person can comment at least, so I would do this. And then if I want to, like me, he can do any kind of changes in the sheet, so editor would be there. And other than that, if you go on this link settings, here things are coming more like related to the access. Editors can change permission and share. So if we like click on this like this, so now any editor will not be able to change permission, like what we are doing in the permission part, he will not be able to, or she will not be able to do related to that anything. Now it comes viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print and copy. So we will remove this too if it is required, and then they will not be able to download it or copy it. They can just see, and maybe like after watching the like things and all, they can go ahead accordingly, but they cannot do anything in the Excel sheet. This is spreadsheet. So these are the options to share anyone, and then we'll click on send. Okay, this is one thing. After clicking on send, that sheet would go to their Excel sheet. They can open it from their Google Drive and all. And one more thing, interesting part is it is, let's say I want to give this Excel sheet to anyone by the link. So here you can see, oh, only people with access can open the link. Mean we giving the access, then they can open. Now I'm going this anyone with the link. So let's say I have copied this link now, and when I'm clicking done, so wherever I will share this link, like link has come in the this thing, like you can see. So this link, if I will give to anyone, that person will be able to open this, and accordingly permissions we can decide, like whether what he can do or what he cannot do. So this is something, and very really I feel very interesting too, while we are working in a group like 4 or 5 people are there. So we can make multiple pages here, and like let's say Amar can work on this, Michael can work on this, Tiger can work on this, and all together like we can work on one page. So I hope it is helpful to you. Stay tuned for more interesting facts about the staffing industry and other things. I'll be sharing sometimes related to the Excel sheets, and sometimes to the career and other kind of useful information. If you need any kind of special attention to any topic, so please comment. If it comes under me, so obviously I'll make the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the videos, and it is really interesting. I'm getting responses regularly. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye bye.